Hello, dear friends. So there is a big question that so many people ask, that how can I get my own online coaching business started? How to start online coaching business? Although it is very easy, but it is easy for the people who know how to start. It's not easy for the people who don't know how to start. And yes, once you know, believe me, it is very, very easy. Okay. So my name is Guruji Sunil Chaudhary. I am a digital success coach. I provide complete support, complete knowledge, complete setup, everything completely to the people who want to start their digital coaching business or any online business. Okay. So here we are going to focus on digital coaching business. So first step when you want to start your digital coaching business, I am sure that you are done with it, but I am still talking about it. That is called niche. Means we can call it category. So what is the topic you are going to teach? What is the coaching category? What are you passionate about? Is it health? Is it business? Is it personal development? What is it you are passionate about? What is the thing you love to do? What is the thing you love to talk about? That is called niche. And when it comes to niche, do not try to find a profitable niche, because whatever you like to do, that is the most profitable niche, at least for you. If you copy someone's niche that is highly profitable, that will not be profitable for you because you are not passionate about it. But if you can develop passion about it, then do it. No denying, right? Now, the second thing you need to understand is, either you going to provide digital coaching to individual 101, like personal coaching you are going to provide, or you are going to provide group coaching, or you are going to sell recorded courses. Who is your target audience? Mothers, fathers, job seekers, business owners, students. Who is your target audience? So you need to understand, is it group coaching? Is it one-on-one coaching? Is it recorded courses? Is it live coaching? So these things you need to understand. Okay. You can make notes and you can do some study on your own. Okay. Now, let me tell you that there is a demand for each and everything in the market. Yes. So you need to research the market, that what exactly people are looking for. So for example, I have a great knowledge of digital coaching business setup, but then I need to understand that what exactly digital coaches are looking for in the market, what kind of support they are looking for. Then I got to know that they need support in website setup. That is the very basic thing, and we need to take care in starting. So website setup. Then second thing is lead magnet. Next thing is niche clarity. Next thing, how to record the courses, course designing, curriculum designing. Then comes webinar setup, the most and most important thing, right? So these are the things people, digital coaches look for. Next thing, as a digital coach, you need to do is define your offer, that what kind of problem you're going to solve, and what is the goal people will achieve with your coaching, with your courses. What is the impact of your coaching on your audience? That is something you need to understand. Okay. Then you can create a bundle coaching package, maybe 3-month coaching program, 90 days, you can call it. You can call it 10 weeks coaching program, 12 weeks coaching program, 10 days coaching program, 1 year coaching program, lifetime coaching program, or whatever you feel like. You can start with 101 coaching, mini courses. You can test the market with these things. Okay. So you need to define your offer and packages. Then you will start working on building your online presence. So people should be able to see you in the world of internet. Like, for example, if you talk about me, If you want to know more about me, just type in Google Suniltams or Guruji Sunil Chaudhary. Who is Guruji Sunil Chaudhary? Not only my name, if you type digital success coach in the Google search, you will get only me. And if you type India's leading digital coach, you will find me. If you type freedom lifestyle coach, you will find me, because these are the keywords which are very much important for me. And I keep getting business for myself with these keywords. So building your presence on keywords is very important. You can pick a name for yourself. So my name is Sunil Chaudhary, but most of the times I use Guruji Sunil Chaudhary. The reason is I make it unique, because there are thousands and thousands of Sunil Chaudharys in the world. And then I have a technical name, that is Suniltams. You can call it username in the internet world. So that is one name, Suniltams, and other name I have chosen for myself is Guruji Sunil Chaudhary. And the main reason is to make it unique. Then you can decide your mission. What is your mission? So my mission is to make India digital marketing capital and to provide complete start to end support. And that is not available easily in the market, because nobody is so much knowledgeable, nobody is so much eager, nobody is willing to do that. But I am doing it here for the last 10 years. Then you can set up your website. uh, Multiple platforms are there: Wix, WordPress, Kajabi. So many platforms are there, but I would recommend that you set up your website on the LMS platform itself. Whatever LMS you choose, they all have website options, or you can simply create your website on some free platforms. They are world class platforms, believe me. And the hosting is free and the website is free. You just have to get a domain. Okay. And if you want my coaching, then I will surely let you know once you are part of my coaching business, coaching community, right? But yes, you can create on WordPress also. For WordPress, there are so many technical errors, so many technical problems. But WordPress is also easy. Like, you need to, if you keep things simple. But I have seen people that they want so many fancy things. So I would say that avoid fancy things for yourself and for your students. Stay away from fancy things. You need to create some important pages on your websites, like home page, about page, services page, courses page, testimonials page, contact us page, terms and conditions, refund policy. These are the important pages you should create on your website, and you can create all these pages with the help of AI these days easily. Yeah. So you can create the entire website in just 1 to 2 hours, or we can create for you if you are too much busy, right? Then you need to take care of your social media presence. Majorly, there are Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, nowadays, Substack, Twitter. So automation tools are there. You can use any automation software like Follower. I use Follower. That's a platform. If I make a post on that too, or on Follower, that goes to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, everywhere. You need to share valuable content, valuable tips, useful content to attract more and more followers, more and more clients, students. I'm creating this video, right? Because I am sharing how to start your online coaching business, right? I'm giving you all the knowledge. Yes, I'm not hiding anything. So this is super valuable content, and I am trying to be 100% authentic. And the same thing you can do, right? Now you start attracting clients, start attracting students. So it is your uh, daily routine. Mm, Dedicate 30 to 40 minutes daily to write a blog, to create a YouTube video. Right now, I'm doing the same thing. I'm creating a YouTube video, and then make a social media post, share posts, share videos, do some live sessions, do some free sessions, share tips, tricks, and success stories on the social media. So your social proof is going to become strong. You can create a free guide, free checklist. You can offer a free webinar to attract more and more students and more students and clients. You can use email marketing like Systemy or ConvertKit or MailChimp. anything. But I would recommend that you go for the Systemy as email marketing tool, the best, easiest, and the most attractive. And the number two platform for email marketing is ConvertKit. And on both of them, um, I have dedicated courses in career building school. So if you go to my course, Marketing Automation Mastery, you will get complete knowledge, complete support for ConvertKit and Systemy both. Then you need to create your coaching system. After doing all these things, then you need to create your coaching system. And coaching system is very easy if you want to, if you if you want to provide one-on-one coaching, one-on-one consultancy, one-on-one support. You just need Calendly to book appointments, and not even Calendly these days. In Google Workspace itself, you have an option to get appointments. And then you need Zoom has good features. Zoom has good user interface. Otherwise, you can go with Google Meet also. Google Meet is little affordable. Google Meet gives much more. If you go with Zoom, you need Google Meet anyways. But I would say that you need Google Meet and Google Workspace and Zoom both. So Google Workspace has Google Meet anyways. You will have Google Meet, so you will have an opportunity to understand Google Meet. And if you think that Google Meet is good, then you can stop using Zoom. But somehow I love Zoom in terms of video calling and digital coaching. Then you need to create some documents in Google Docs or maybe in Canva, maybe in PDF, onboarding documents, feedback forms, progress tracking. You need to record Zoom sessions. You need to make notes. So a few documents you need to have in your system. Some some documents you will share with your students and clients. Some forms you will get filled from your clients for feedback and everything. Then you will be sharing the progress. Okay. So this is called develop coaching system. But if you are going for a group coaching or live coaching for multiple people, then you need a proper LMS, learning management system. And there are multiple platforms. I would recommend you go with Graphy. Graphy is one of the best. And if you take Graphy with my referral link, I will give you the complete course and support for lifetime for free. And um, LMS, I would say system is also one platform where you have LMS, where you have email marketing, where you have community, newsletter, each and everything. So if you go with systemy.io, your life is super cool. That is the best platform I have ever seen. Then you can consider pricing your services, that if you are giving group coaching, how much you are going to charge, one-on-one coaching, how much you are going to charge, or package, like if it is for 3 months, if it is for 1 month, if it is for lifetime, or 3 sessions for this much money, or 10 sessions for this much money, something like that you can decide. And if you talk to me, if you are part of my community, I will let you know. Okay. Then you need to market your business. The next step is you can run ads on Facebook, you can run on Google Ads. So Facebook is the best, I would say, but depending on your customer, depending on your offering, depending on your course or whatever you are giving, it depends on that. For example, if you are helping people related to jobs and career, I would recommend that it is a wise decision to run advertisement on LinkedIn. If it is general, then you can run ad on Facebook. If it is related to some product or something, then you can run ad on Google. Okay. In order to market your business, you can collaborate with influencers, you can collaborate with other digital coaches. And as in when you see that there are some people making progress in your community, you can ask for testimonials, you can ask for their feedback. That is called user generated content. So keep trying to get more and more testimonials, more and more feedbacks, video testimonials from your students and clients. They will help you grow your business. Now you have to scale your business. You can create group coaching programs, online courses, recorded courses, live coaching programs. You can automate your system. Email automation is there, newsletter automation is there, funnels are automated, You can hire people to provide support. You can hire people, they can work from home. You don't have to have an office, right? So this is how you start your online coaching business. I have tried to tell you each and everything in this video. I have not tried to hide anything. And if you have additional questions, you can ask on this video. Put your questions in the comment section and I will be glad to answer, right? So when you are a digital coach, you have to dedicate a specific time every day for social media post, for video creation, for blogging. So it takes only 30 to 40 minutes. Even thinking, researching everything these days with the help of AI, 40 minutes more than enough. Then you need to read a book, read books or read 10 to 20 pages daily, because if you feed your mind with value, you can deliver value to your clients and students. Okay, you need to track your progress yourself, that how much money you are spending, how many students you are getting, how many clients you are making. Then you need to adjust your strategies also, and keep growing. And yes, I have not talked about those things, but those things are called struggles. So if you are in any business, struggles will be there. Nothing comes for free, nothing comes easy, because with digital coaching business you get lots of freedom, lots of money, and yes, lots of struggles will be there, lots of tension will be there. So you need to accept that part also, and you need to work with a personal coach like me. And if you don't get anyone else, I am always here, so that you can talk and understand how to go ahead, right? So that's all in this video. That is how you start your online coaching business. You are listening to Guruji Sunil Chaudhary, India's one and only digital success coach. I will see you in the next video.